Welcome to the future of urban living at 1130 West Belmont, right at the corner of Belmont and Clifton. Hi, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker, your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. This 5-story new construction is a project by SNS Realty Group Development with stunning designs by Red Architects. The development features 33 units offering a mix of 1 and 2 bedroom options with its own private balcony. Perfect for those who value the modern living with touch of elegance. The building includes 2,800 square feet of ground level commercial space, providing convenience right at your doorstep. Plus, there's an ample parking with 16 spaces for cars, 28 for parking spots for bikes, making it easy to embrace the city's bike-friendly lifestyle. Living at this corner, it's going to mean that you're at the heart of Lakeview with everything you need just from a short walking distance. For families, you'll appreciate that proximity to schools like Nettlehorse Elementary and Lakeview High School, both walking 10 minutes away. Looking for some outdoor fun? Guess what? Enjoy this stroll on Belmont all the way to the harbor. There's a lot of parks only 15 minutes away. When it comes to dining and entertaining, you're spoiled for sure. Popular spots like Dry Hop Brewers, the Laugh Factory, and the Icon Music Box Theater are just 10-minute walking distance. Commuting is a breeze with the Belmont CTA station, just 5 minutes away from the Red Line, Brown Line, and Purple Line. Whether you're heading to work, exploring the city, you have easy access to everything in the Chicago has to offer. So 1130 West Belmont Avenue is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Stay tuned for more updates as this exciting development progresses. If you're interested in learning more how to buy new construction or you want a tour, give me a call. I'm Hugo with Lakeview, your real estate expert, 773-550-4846. Follow us for more information. Talk to you soon.